Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Discord to explore how you can add the Clyde bot to your server. Discord recently introduced Clyde, its own AI chatbot. However, it's important to note that Clyde is currently in beta and is gradually being rolled out to a select number of servers. To check if Clyde is available to your server, keep an eye out for a notification banner at the top of your channel list. That's Discord's way of letting you know that Clyde is ready to join your community. Part 1. Clyde bot availability. Before we proceed, it's worth mentioning that server admins will receive a notification a few days before Clyde becomes available to their server. So, if you're an admin, be on the lookout for that banner at the top of your channel list. Now, if you're wondering, how do I know if Clyde is available to my server? It's simple. You can also check by going to your server settings, navigate to server settings and look for the Clyde option. If it's there, Clyde is ready and waiting for you. If not, don't worry, it might be on its way soon. Part 2. Adding Clyde bot. Assuming Clyde is available to your server, let's proceed to add it. When you see the notification banner, click on it, and it will take you to the Clyde bot invite page. If you're a server admin who received the notification, simply click on it to begin the process. And if you can't find the notification, then just click here on drop-down menu and you can see server settings. Click on it, go to apps column and click on integration. Hence, if your server is eligible according to Discord, you'll see an option like this to enable Clyde bot in your server. Let's turn it on. And click on Save Changes. Part 3. Conclusion. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on adding Clyde bot to your Discord server. Keep in mind that Clyde is still in beta, so availability might vary. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and check the description for additional resources. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.